What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a high fade on my boys, so stay tuned. We're starting off by creating our first guideline with our gold FX and contouring to his head shape. Now that we're done botting him out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You want to make sure you make this guideline around an inch thick so you can spread the blend. Now that we're done setting in our guideline, we can move on to closing the lever midway and all the way closed to help us erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember, we're going to use this same guard and the lever to soften up this line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Before we move to the two guard, we're going to debulk the top with a four guard all the way closed. Now that we're done debulking the sides and top, we can move on to our two guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now we're moving on to our clipper over comb method, and this method is going to make the fade as smooth as possible. Remember, we're picking up the hair with the comb and then cutting with our cutting blade. Either horizontally, which is debulking, or vertically, which is blending. Here I'm detailing with my no guard all the way closed and midway. Moving on to the back, we're going to start off by botting out with our gold FX. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Remember to use the lever midway and all the way closed to help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We are nearing the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you spend more time here. Moving on to the two guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our fourth guideline. We are nearing the calic area, so you want to make sure you flick out as much as possible and make sure the fade is smooth. Because near the calic area, there's some hairs that stand up and you want to make sure you cut them and make it as smooth as possible. Now we're switching over to the three guard all the way open and we're connecting the silhouette to the top. Again, we're using our clipper of a comb to make the blend as smooth as possible. He does have overhang on his hairline, so we're debulking with our clipper of a comb method. This is so the hair can feed into the trimmer, because if there's a lot of hair in bulk, then the hair won't properly feed into the teeth. We're starting off at the right side and then we're going to line up his vertical bars. We're also going to keep his hairline as natural as possible without sacrificing any crispiness. If you're wondering what trimmer I have, it's the NST Outliners but the GTX version. Now we're connecting it to the middle and working our way to the left side. Remember to go slow and make sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you leave a comment down below, I'm 100% gonna reply to it. If your client's skin isn't too sensitive, make sure to go against the grain near the cheek area so the lineup could pop out more.